To be a Maid Right franchisee means that I get the ability to control my future, the freedom to own my own business and set my own goals and accomplish them in the way that I want to.
When you first get started, you don't need any cleaning experience. The franchise will give you some training to get you started. Most of the training will come with on the job, as well as some of the experienced cleaners that you bring on and hire will train you as well.
When you're buying a Maid Right franchise, you don't really need any cleaning experience. The training will be provided by premium service brands, so you just need to have a open mind and a good work ethic and be ready to do what it takes to run your business.
When you purchase a cleaning company, you have the stability of your recurring customers plus the ability to bring on one-time cleans, move in, move out cleans. So you have a customer base that serves your business all year round, plus the ability to bring on new cleaners or new customers throughout the year.
Premium service brands, when looking at other cleaning services, premium service brands was by far the best when it comes to providing support and having a proven process for me to be successful with the training and launching my business.
Maid Right definitely does have some unique tools that come along with the franchise. It's a great sell to customers when you talk about an eco-friendly product, like the EcoLab products that we use for the bathrooms, floors, and surfaces. The EnviroMist is definitely a great tool to sell during the cold and flu season. It kills 99.9% of flu and cold viruses. It's an environmentally friendly, non-toxic whole home disinfectant that people really love when we bring it into the home and use it around the entire house.
My favorite thing about premium service brands is definitely the culture of the franchisor and the franchisee relationship. Also, the culture between all the other franchisees. Just constant ongoing training and learning, but we also have a lot of fun. So that's pretty awesome.